Good morning class. Today we will discuss about second unit, second lesson, that is in the Bandaras of Hyderabad. That is the poem. This is a poem. The poem name is In the Bandaras of Hyderabad, Sarojini Naidu. The poet is Sarojini Naidu. What is the poem is here in this poem we are discussing about different type of weavers or who are making saris, who are making gold and all. So I will read the poem and I will explain. What do you sell, O merchants? Richly your weavers are displayed. Turbans of crimson and silver, tunics of purple barcode, mirror with panels of amber, dragons with handles of jade. So here, what do you sell, O merchants? That is, the people who are selling goods are called merchants. Richly your wares are displayed. So wares means that is the people who goes to the street and they will sell some goods, no? That is called wares. Richly your wares are displayed. So if we go to the market, all are displayed, so that if we want anything, we will choose and we will choose and we will that is buy or we will purchase. So turbans of crimson, so crimson and silver, that is gold and silver and all are also available in the market. Mirrors with panels of amber, so mirror work with panels and all, that is what is meant by amber is the yellow color material, that is the gold is yellow color, so the amber is a gold material, yellow color material which is used for the painting, that is the gold is yellow color, no, the painting on that gold is called amber. What do you weigh, O vendors? Weigh means waiting, O vendors. Saffron and lentil and rice, that is weighers means the person who weights the goods or something, rice, barley, this all etc. Lentil seeds, you know, no? What do you grind, O maidens? Sandalwood, henna and silk. So maidens, what will you grind? That is sandalwood is available in the form of that is we will call no chekka, that is available in the form of wood, so it should be grinded and it should be used. That is mainly sandalwood is used in soaps and for it is also directly applied to the face, that is it is very good for the face and all. Henna we will apply for the our that is henna is nothing but mehendi, apply for our hair. And spices means masalas, that is the chicken masala, the garam masala, this all comes under spices. What do you call, O pleaders? Chessmen and ovary dice. So pleaders, so these people what they do is, if we play the ludo there will be a dice, the dice is that is one side it will be 1, 2, that all, that will all called dice. So they will prepare, the pleaders will prepare the dice and also chessmen. So in chess there will be a king, queen, soldiers, this all will be there, this will be prepared by pleaders. What do you make, O goldsmith? Bristles and ankles and ring. Goldsmith, what they will they prepare different type of jewelries, that is rings, anklets means bracelets and all, and pile, that is gajalu, this all will done by the goldsmith. And bills for the feet, the blue pigeons, frail as a dragonfly's wing, griddles of gold for dancers, scrabbles of gold for the king. Bells, that is in those days the pigeons should have for their feet, they should have a that is a round one with one mutyam or gaje. So this will be tied onto the pigeons feet. And another one is frail of a dragonfly wing. For the dragonfly wing also they used to attach some frail. And girdles of gold for dancers. So generally dancers wear a girdles, that is for legs they wear some type of sound that will give sound, no, that will prepare by this goldsmith. scabbards of gold for the king. So that is when the king go to the that is king go for the war, the sword is there, no, there one coating will be there, that is called scabbards. The coating will be there, that coating will also done by these goldsmiths. What do you crave, O fruitman? Citron, pomegranate and plum. What do you play, O magician? Spells of ends to come. So here fruit, that is the fruitman will sell some type of fruits, the citron, pomegranate, lemon, all apple, all available in that market. Oh magicians, spells of aeons to come. Magicians do different type of different type of magics, that all they mix some type of chemicals and they show the magic, but it is very beautiful. That is also a talent and art. What do you wave, O flower girl? With tassels of azure or red. What is meant by azure is bright blue. So here, what do you wave, O flower girl, with tassels of azure? That is, flower girls, they put all the flowers and become a beautiful bouquet, and flowers with different. The azure is bright blue color flowers and red flowers. Crowns for the brow of the bridegroom. That is, what is meant by bridegroom is pelikutru. So in their marriage they will they will put one jada, that is called pula jada we call. So that is prepared by these flower girls. It is very beautiful. Crowns for the brow of the bridegroom, that is crowns, that is kiritam also they will prepare in olden days. Now we are using pula jada. Chaplets of garland is bed, that is in those days bed after, that is in garlands, that is in the grass there will be beautiful flowers, in that they will be used to sleep. And sheets of white blossoms red garnet to perfume the sleep of the dead. This is poem. Sheets of white blossoms new garnered to perfume the sleep of the dead. So this flowers is also useful for the perfumes also. And also many different type of flowers are used for decorations in marriages and all. So this poem is about what the people will sell and how they prepared. It is all that is this all mentioned in this poem. So in the Banjaras of Hyderabad, that is our Hyderabad is famous for many of the talents. So this all talents is tell in the poem. Poet is the famous poet Sarojini Naidu. So this is all about the poem. Very easy poem. Once read the poem, you will understand. First have a look on it, the poet name and the lesson name. Thank you.